There's a lot of changing risks and new risks that are impacting us, right? So how do we deal with those? And you can see some quotes here from folks like KPMG, Deloitte, and RSM in terms of our internal audit functions ready, right? And I take this as, do we have the right skill sets to adapt to these new situations, right? To these new risks that are facing our companies, to engaging new stakeholders within our organizations, in order to bring them into the fold, the assurance fold, right, and help them with the work that they do every day. So we have to have the right skill sets to adapt. It's not about doing the same things that we've always done. It's what do we need to do now? How do we need to adapt to the world as it presents itself to us today? So that's a key piece. The other thing I'd say is internally, right? I talk about skills mix. I'm talking about, of course, leadership skills today, but our teams need a broad array of skills, right? Of course, now we need AI skills on our team. We need folks that understand prompting. We need folks that understand governance around AI systems and what's required. There's new regulations popping up related to AI. So folks that need to understand that. But it's also, data skills in general, data governance skills, understanding, how to access and get to data, addressing these different risks that are happening today, right? So there's a mix of skills. That mix is changing, right? I always go back to, like I said, I've been involved in the internal audit profession for a while. I can remember when, and frankly, you still see this today, you'll see a job posting for an internal audit and it will talk about accounting experience, right? Like that's a part, it's important. Accounting experience is of course important, but it's a part of what we do. And frankly, it's becoming a smaller and smaller part as we shift to more operational risks and technology related risks. Those accounting skills remain important. Accounting is the language of business, but it might not be the primary skill we need. So it's getting that right mix of skills that we need within the team relative to the organization that we work in. What types of skills are needed within a public sector organization are going to be different than what type of skills are needed in a software company or a financial services company, right? So that understanding that skills mix is key.